Hello, this is Suna Senman again, coming to you with more reading of A Course of Love that was brought to us by Marie Perron. I am reading now the 12th reading of A Course in Love. We will conclude the first chapter, and as normally, I will begin with the last paragraph of the last reading. A teacher always has a role in the learning of the student. This does not diminish the student's achievement. You must realize it is your desire to make yourself your own creator that has caused all your problems. This is the authority problem. It is pervasive in the life of your physical form and in the life of your mind. It is only your heart that does not consider this an issue of concern. This is another reason we appeal to the heart. The heart cares not where love comes from, only that it comes. This is useful to us in several ways, but by this I do not mean that there are not particular objects of your affection. This is not the love of which we speak. The heart yearns for what is like itself. Thus love yearns for love. To think of achieving love on one's own is ludicrous. This is why love is your greater teacher. To yearn for what is like yourself is to yearn for your creator, and when perception is healed, to create like your creator. This yearning exists naturally within you and cannot be diminished or satiated. Those who are seen as loveless and alone in the world are those you find to be the objects of your pity. Yet you do not realize that this is the state your ego has you endlessly striving to achieve. Your ego would have you believe that only when you need no one to achieve all your desire, only when you are satisfied with what you are and with what you can do on your own, only then will your autonomy and your learning be complete. For this is all your learning has been for. The goal of this world is for you to stand on your own, complete within yourself. The goal will never be reached, and only when you give up trying to reach it can you begin to learn anything of value. You are complete only within God, where you endlessly abide. Striving to be that which you can never be is the hell you have created. Lack of striving is seen as a settling for less. This would be true if what you were striving for had value. To strive mightily for nothing is still to have nothing and to end up with nothing. Striving, however, must be distinguished from struggle. You think also that to leave struggle behind, to disengage from the conflict of the world that caused it, is to turn your back on the real world and all that it has meaning in it. In this you think correctly, and yet you do not choose that option, thinking that to do so you turn your back on responsibility and on duty, thus counting this action as a noble one. This desire to engage in struggle has nothing to do with what you are responsible for. It is merely your ego's attempt to involve you in distraction that keep you from your real responsibility. Think again about your attraction to struggle. It is your attraction to the game, a game you hope to win, another chance to show your stamina and your strength, your quick wits and your cunning mind. It is another chance to prevail against the odds so stacked against you that you can once again convince yourself that you alone have succeeded against mighty adversaries. It is the only way you see to prove your power and control over a world of chaos. To not engage in the chaos at all is seen not as desirable, but as a sort of abdication, a loss through failure to engage. Although you are well aware you will not win the game you play here, you see the effort to do so, no matter how futile, as being that which makes up your life. To not engage is to not prove your own existence. This is what you have made the world for, to prove your separate existence in a world apart from your Creator. This world does not exist, and you do not exist apart from your Creator. Your yearning for love is what tells you this is so. It is the proof you do not recognize. What would cause you to yearn for love in a loveless world? By what means do you continue to recognize that love is at the heart of all things, even while it is not valued here? Here is a fine example that means and end are the same, for love is what you are as well as what you strive for. Love is means and end. All the symbols of your physical life reflect a deeper meaning that, while hidden to you, you still know exists. The union of two bodies joined in love creates a child. The union of a man and woman joined in marriage creates oneness. Love is at the heart of all things. How you feel but reflects your decision to accept love or to reject it and choose fear. Both cannot be chosen. All feelings you label joyous or compassionate are of love. All feelings you label painful or angry are of fear. This is all there is. This is the world you make. Love or fear is your reality by choice. A choice for love creates love. A choice for fear creates fear. What choice do you think has been made to create the world you call your home? This world was created by your choice, and a new world can be created by a new choice. You must realize that this is all there is, love or lack of love. Love is all that is real. A choice for love is a choice for heaven. A choice of fear is hell. Neither are a place. They are a further reflection of means and ends being the same. They are but a further reflection of your power. And so we have completed the 12th reading of A Course of Love. And I will see you again tomorrow.